Welcome back, Tbsp family. We love you, we miss you, and surprise, surprise, we got a new kitchen. I'm not gonna tell you guys where we are or how we got it. It's a surprise that I'm gonna keep a secret. And shout out Bryce is Right on Instagram for suggesting this video. And today we're making shrimp scampi. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We want to begin by turning on our stove to a low heat and then pouring in our vegetable oil. It's time for the butter! You want to place all the butter in, take all the butter out of that bowl, and you want to really evenly disperse it throughout the whole pan. You're going to grab your garlic and disperse that throughout the whole pan too, and you want to mix them together. You want to just let that cook together for about 30 seconds, let it mix together. Time for the shrimp. You want to really drop them in and disperse them throughout the whole pan so they all get evenly cooked. We don't want no raw fish in our mouth. After you add the shrimp, you want to turn your stove to a medium heat or a little above, depending on how many shrimp you have. You gotta always have your pepper and your salt. Never forget. Never leave out. So after doing all this, you want to just let it sit there and cook for about 1 minute and 30 seconds on one side, and then flip it over to the other side. After that 1 minute and 30 seconds, you want to add your vegetable broth. It's really going to make it taste good. And your red chili flakes. Successful attempt. Flip your shrimp and you want to let that side cook for another 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay guys, we are halfway done. You just want to let it sit there on a medium-high heat. Let the shrimp really get brown. Since we used half a cup of vegetable broth, you want to really let it evaporate. Let the shrimp cook through and leave it there. Leave it there, guys. Oh. We're at the home stretch. Time to add your lemon juice. Spread it out. Oof, that hit my face. Your remaining butter. it's time to sprinkle your parsley, because every food dish needs parsley. That's something I learned. Let the shrimp cook for another like 30 seconds and let it really evaporate the juice. And when it's like the juice is like half evaporated or fully evaporated, that's when you know you're done. Wow. So we made some noodles. Can never go wrong with those noodles. You know what I mean? And let's try this.
Gotta get the shrimp though. But we did have the tail one. Yup.
Bro,
It's good.
yo, Bryce, you're killing it, man. The whole time it smelled really good,
It did.
but I did not think it would come out this good.
When we start this channel, Omar didn't know how to cook at all.
Didn't.
No idea. But now he's starting to learn more about how the flavor should and how many spices you're supposed to add.
How much salt to put in when you put in salt.
And like looking at the recipe list less and the instruction, but going with it with his heart more. And look at the food; it's getting better and better. And does Omar have my respect for food? Not yet, but he's coming closer there, closer and closer every episode.
Your flaw